Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Loosen the hose clamp before disengaging. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Pull upwards to disengage the studs from the grommets. There are 7 torque screws that need to be loosened in order to access the air filter. Using a T20 torque screw, loosen the screws. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF3054 filter into the housing. Lay it face down with the pleats facing up. Remember that driving without an air filter is dangerous, and replacing your filter can improve your gas mileage. Reinstall the screws. Flip the housing over and align the studs with the grommets. Apply pressure to secure the housing. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the wires. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.